In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Clickup with an easy integration process that should take just about 5 minutes. Let's get started on making your work life more efficient by combining these two powerful tools. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Clickup's website. Clickup is an all-in-one app that's designed to help you manage your work effectively. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Login. Now, if this is your first time logging in or you haven't linked your Google account with Clickup yet, you'll want to choose this Sign In with Google option. This is a quick and straightforward way to access Clickup by using credentials you likely already have. Once you click on it, a window will pop up asking you to select the Google account you want to use. Choose the account you plan to connect with Clickup and make sure you're logged into the right one, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. After you're successfully logged in, look to the top left corner of Clickup. You'll notice your profile picture or icon there. Clicking on it will bring up a menu, and here you should hover over the Apps section without clicking yet. When you do this, you'll see different apps that Clickup can integrate with. In the menu that appears, click on App Center. This is where all the integrations live, and luckily for us, Google Drive is one of them. After clicking on the App Center, you'll likely be drawn to a wide range of tools, but today our focus is on connecting Google Drive. Go ahead and find Google Drive listed among the apps and click on it. At this stage, you'll see a Connect button. Clicking this button will initiate the linking process between Clickup and Google Drive. Remember, this doesn't just let you use Google Drive from Clickup, but also allows for seamless sharing and file management from within Clickup's interface. Following these steps not only simplifies accessing your documents, but also streamlines collaboration, saving you both a ton of time and reducing the hassle of switching between windows or tabs. Make sure you have your permissions sorted so that Clickup can access the necessary files on Google Drive. This setup is incredibly useful for efficient teamwork and project management. That's it. Now your Google Drive and Clickup are integrated, allowing you to manage your documents more effectively right from within your Clickup tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this integration helps you optimize your workflow. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Have a productive day.